One of the questions I get all the time is, what do homeowners wish they knew before buying a home in Macomb Township? After helping hundreds of buyers and sellers throughout Macomb County, I've noticed a few things that come up over and over again. First, property taxes. A lot of buyers look at the current tax bill and assume that's what they'll pay. But in Michigan, property taxes can increase after a home is sold due to tax uncapping. It's important to understand what your future tax bill could look like, not just what the seller is paying today. Second, if you're considering new construction, remember that the purchase price isn't always the final cost. Things like landscaping, sprinklers, patios, decks, fencing, and window treatments are often additional expenses that can add up quickly after closing. Third, pay attention to HOA rules. Some neighborhoods have restrictions on fences, sheds, parking, exterior changes. Before you buy, make sure you understand the community rules and whether they fit your lifestyle. Fourth, don't underestimate traffic and commute times. Macomb Township has experienced tremendous growth, which is great for the community, but roads like Hall Road, Romeo Plank, and Hayes, among others, can get very busy during peak hours. A drive that seems quick on a Sunday afternoon may feel very difficult on a weekday morning. Fifth, home maintenance is real. The mortgage payment is only part of the cost of home ownership. Roofs, furnaces, air conditioners, water heaters, driveways, and other major systems all have a lifespan and eventually need repair or replacement. Another thing buyers often overlook is the basement. Even if it's beautifully finished, it's important to look for signs of water intrusion, foundation concerns, and make sure the sump pump system is functioning properly. You should also verify school assignments if that's important to you. Boundaries can vary depending on where a home is located, so it's always worth confirming before making a decision. And finally, take a look at what's happening around the property. Vacant land today could become a new subdivision, commercial development, or another project in the future. Understanding what's planned for the area can help you make a more informed decision. The bottom line is this: buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most people will ever make. The more information you have up front, the fewer surprises you'll encounter after closing. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Macomb Township or anywhere in Macomb County for that matter, feel free to reach out. I'm Gino Tozzi, Associate Broker at Real Estate One, and I'd be happy to help you navigate the process and make an informed decision. If you have a question about buying or selling a home in Macomb County, send me a message or give me a call or a text at 313-587-6602. Have a terrific day.